Hi, this is the Avionaut Dock 2 ISOfix base, and this base can be used to install both the Cosmo infant carrier as well as the Pixel, and I'm now going to put it in the car to show you how that works. To install the Dock 2 base in the car, you first of all need to angle out the leg and then place the base flat on the vehicle seat. You then need to bring out the ISOfix arms one at a time, and you do that by squeezing these two buttons, like pinching it together and sliding them out one by one. And they then are clicked into the car's ISOfix points down here. You push them in until the indicators have turned green. And now this gap here between the base and the backrest of the vehicle seat needs to be closed. And you simply do that by pushing the base all the way in. You'll hear it clicking. Push it as far as it will go, and then you need to get one more click out of both sides by just pulling it towards you and the other way. That was actually 2 clicks, but now it's nice and firm. And now I'm going to extend the leg down to the floor. So first of all, this gap needs to be closed just by angling the leg out that way. Then there's a red button here which you need to press. The leg will go down to the floor. Hold the bottom half, the silver part of the leg down, and with your other hand, pull the black part up until that red button clicks back out. This is the Pixel Pro infant carrier. And to install this car seat on this base, you need to line up the holes here in the back of the car seat with these notches here on the back of the base. And this metal claw will then grip onto the little metal bar down here. So you hold the seat over the base, slide it down backwards, and then the front just clicks into place like this. This is the Pixel Pro side impact block, and that's attached to a knob here on the side of the car seat that goes into the hole here on the back of this knob. So you just simply place it on the side and push it down. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.